Good morning, sunshine. You're loud. You're loud. Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. I, like every other day, am out here checking on the ducks. But I wanted to show you something, well, a clip actually. Last night, when I was getting ready for bed, I had a very persistent visitor at my door. Who is it? No thanks, I don't want any. No. Nah. No soliciting. No soliciting. Good night. No. Beat it. Sure, come on in. What? Sure. So their first night in the duck house went well. Nobody looks too beat up. Some of the ones with the poofs on their head look like they're losing those again. But, you know, I can't do much about that. They just beat up on each other, but nobody's bleeding and everybody's eyes look good. So I consider that a win. So I'm actually, for the 4th day in a row, wearing one of my new shirts. I am in love with these shirts. They're so comfortable and soft and everything. And I got them from Costco, and they're made by 32 Degrees. And when I was looking at the package yesterday, I think, I found out that each shirt is actually made out of 5 recycled bottles, which I thought was really, really awesome. Hey, Sailor Man. What you doing, bud? He wants some serious attention right now. So because I thought these shirts were so awesome, I ended up buying every color that the store had. And today's my last day. They only had 4 colors, so I'll probably have to wear a different kind of shirt tomorrow. But these shirts will probably show up a lot in the coming days because I love them so much. So in one of the previous vlogs, I think it was Ducks Take Over the vlog, that one, I showed you guys my pumpkin plant that was growing in my trash can. These are some awesome plants and I do not want to lose them. I think that one is pumpkin. And I said I was going to transplant it. Well, I didn't exactly get to transplanting it yet. And so I was going to show it to you guys. It is out of control. I have got to transplant it. Maybe today. Maybe that's what I'll do today because it is taking over the trash can and I don't want it to die. It's so big. Look at this thing. It's literally taking over the entire trash can. And it has flower buds on it. Holy cow! I can't lose this thing. I will sacrifice all other plants in here just to save this. Oh my gosh, maybe that is what I'm gonna do today. It's supposed to rain, but not till later, so maybe I can get that done. I hope so. Fingers crossed. Because I do not want to lose this plant. So I tried my loquat jam for breakfast. And it was delicious. Also, for the record, I have not transplanted my pumpkin still, and I don't think I'm going to get to it today. But I am going to run out here really quick and do some things with the ducks before it starts to pour. So the girls' eyes are looking so much better, but they're still a little iffy, and so and the antibiotics that we were putting in them are so expensive, and so we got this stuff. It's called Vetericin, I think, and it's an eye wash, and it's supposed to be good for cleaning out wounds and kind of, you know, promoting good health in the eyes. So I think I'm going to give them all a little bit, see if we can clear this thing up for good. And then we also got this VetRx stuff, which is supposed to be good for respiratory health. And you could do it, you can actually use it in a bunch of ways, put it in their bedding or their water or under their wings. So I'm going to give this a try also to try and boost their immune systems a little bit and prevent any more respiratory infections. I'm going to try to do this by myself. So we'll see. It may not go well and I may have to try it again later on. Maybe not later on. It's starting to pour rain. Or tomorrow or something with the help of somebody else. But I'm going to give it a shot myself and see how it goes. I know. It's okay. Shh. There you go. Good girl. Sweet girl. Come here, Mare. Come here. Okay. Good girl. Okay. 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 Good girl. Good girl. That's you. You're the one I want. Come here. I know. Okay, so I did not get to the VetRx stuff, but I did get the 3 worst eyes, like the 3 ducks with the worst eyes, taken care of. So I did not expect rain this early today. It's kind of putting a damper on my plans. Hello, beautiful pumpkin plant. One day I will transplant you. All right, it's time to put the ducks to bed for the night. It is raining, and we're gonna see. Hey, don't yell. We're gonna see if the girls are able to go in or if they're gonna take some coaxing. I don't know, we'll see. I bet it's gonna take some coaxing. Girls, come on. Come on. Go into the duck house. Come on. Come on. Come on, up here. Come on. Come on. Time to go night-night. Come on. Good girl, Gertie. Good girl. Yep, go, go, go. Don't fall. Go in. Go in. Yay, Gertie. Good job. Come on, Marilyn. Hey, hey, hey. Good job, Gertie. Come on, girls. Stay in. Stay in. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Come on. Call him in, Gertie. Call him in, Gertie. Come on, Gertie. Call him in. Stay there, Gert. Stay there. All right. The power of peas. Look. No, 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 no. Gertie. Gertie, you are doing so well. Come back. Look. Boys. All right, boys. Here. There's some peas. Go, 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 go. Go get them. Here. Go get some peas. There we go. Okay, girls. The power of peas. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Yay. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. There we go. Good job. Good job. Everybody in. Come on. Oh, no, no, no. Come on. Gertie, stay in. Gertie, come on. Go, go, go. Gertie, this way. Woo-hoo. In, in, in. Come on. In, in, in. In, in, in. In, in, in. Come on. Come on. Good job. Good job. Please. Gertie, you gotta stay in, girl. Stay in. Go on, Daddy. Come on, girls. You're the last 3. Come on. Come on. Gertie, stay in. Stay in. Gertie, you're a pig. Come on. Stop. Go in. Go in. Go in. What's going on? Why are all the ducks coming out? Why? Please hold while I address the situation. You guys are causing problems. That actually did not go as well as last night, but that's okay. They will get there. They're just learning. This is only the second night that the girls have actually gone into the duck house, so give them a break. We are actually going to end the vlog here tonight in the rain with the ducks. I'm going to give them their peas. We're going to say goodnight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. All right, can everybody say see you later? Yeah? Say, we will see